Girl, this one turned out way better than I expected this loaf to turn out. It was so good. I do wish, however, I would have added a little more protein powder. I didn't add enough. And that would have helped with the sweetness, with the bitter of the cacao powder. And I wish I had more chocolate chips. My kids want more chocolate chips, but it was so good. So yummy. It's great with just a little bit of butter on it. It's good with peanut butter on it. Like, it's just really good. I did go ahead and throw the instructions or the recipe in the comments. So get ready for that and just listen to my kids' reaction. Come here.
Is it hot? It is a little bit. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
That's good, isn't it?
Very.
Now, what do you think?
It tastes just like regular dough. Regular? That was good.
This is good.
Try this recipe at home. Trust me, it's good. Golly.